everyone. Today I will discuss about earthquakes and tsunamis. Let's know about earthquakes and tsunamis. First, let's see the earthquakes. It is endogenetic process and it is the shaking of the earth due to sudden release of energy in the earth's lithosphere, and it creates seismic waves. The seismic waves is measured by an instrument called seismograph, and the location below the earth's surface from where earthquakes start are called hypocenter, and the location just above the hypocenter on the surface of the earth is called epicenter. Here is the hypocenter below the earth's surface from where earthquakes start, and it also called focus point. And here is the epicenter on the surface of the earth, and it occurs along a fault plane. And there are mainly three types of earthquakes. First is tectonic earthquakes, and second is volcanic earthquakes, and third is human induced earthquakes. Let's first see about tectonic earthquakes. The most common earthquakes is tectonic earthquakes, and although the earth looks like a pretty solid place from the surface, but actually it is extremely active just below the surface. And the earth is made up of three layers: crust, mantle and core. And when tectonic plates move along a fault, then the slip of fault plane are called caused earthquakes that caused tectonic earthquakes along a fault line. And let's see the volcanic earthquakes. The tectonic earthquakes sometimes recognized as volcanic earthquakes, and volcanic earthquakes are produced due to withdrawal of magma from below the surface of the earth, and it creates ground fracture. Volcanic earthquakes creates ground fracture, and it can occur any time. Volcanic earthquakes can occur any time. And let's see about human induced earthquakes. Human induced earthquakes occur in intense mining areas, and when the ground intense mining areas, when the roofs of ground mining collapse, that is called collapse earthquakes. And human induced earthquakes occurs in a large reservoir areas, and that earthquakes is called reservoir areas. And let's know about Wadati or Beni of zone. Wadati, which is a term deep earthquakes are occur in Beni of zone or Wadati, in Wadati or Beni of zone, and it is a subduction zone. Beni of zone is a subduction zone, and Beni of zone produced due to interaction of a oceanic crustal plate against a continental plate. Oceanic crustal plate against a continental plate, And let's know about the distribution of earthquakes in the world. Here is the distribution of earthquakes in the world. Here is the map of the world, and this is the area of earthquakes. Here is the Pacific Ocean, and mostly the earthquakes can occur at any time, but historically there are some regions where earthquakes occur year by year. Here is the area of Pacific Ocean, and it is also called as Ring of Fire, where mostly 80% earthquakes occur in this area. Ring of Fire. Here is the Ring of Fire. And in India, mostly earthquakes occur in Himalayan region, because this is a fold structure and it is a Himalayan is in fold structure. Here is the India and here is the Himalaya, and mainly 80% of earthquakes occurs in this Himalayan regions in India. And here is the representation of earthquakes belt. This is the earthquakes belt. It is Ring of Fire. And let's know about the effects of earthquakes. After all, what is the effects of earthquakes? Effects of earthquakes. First effect is ground shaking and differential ground settlement, and third is land and mudslides. Sometimes due to earthquakes, fire events occur, fires and avalanche, and sixth is tsunamis. And let's know about the tsunami. Let's know about tsunamis. Tsunami is a harbor wave. Tsunami, it is a harbor wave, and it is a series of waves in oceans, and the seismic waves traveling through the oceans and sea water causing sea waves. It is called tsunami. And let's see after all how tsunami occurs. Tsunami occurs due to earthquakes and landslides, and sometimes due to volcanic activity. And if we talk about when tsunami occurs, then on an average after every 15 years tsunami occurs in the Pacific Ocean. Every 15 years tsunami occurs in Pacific Ocean. And if we talk about the causes of tsunamis, I have already told you about the causes. Here earthquakes, landslides and undersea volcanoes and meteors and asteroids. It is the causes of tsunamis. And let's see the distribution of tsunami in the world. In Japan, 25% tsunami occurs, and also in the Pacific Oceans there are nearly 70% tsunami occurs in Pacific Oceans, and also in Caribbean Sea 9% tsunami occurs, and in Mediterranean Sea 15% tsunami occurs, and in India tsunami occurs along Andaman and Sumatra zones. It is about tsunami, and